I'm Jordan, co-founder of Intelligo, and this is how to join a breakout discussion on the platform. On the home page, simply click on the Breakouts tab. When you're in the Breakouts area, you'll see a list of available breakouts. Any breakouts that are currently in session will be denoted by a green Join Room button, allowing you access to join the room. I'm going to click to join Test Breakout 1. If this is the first time you've tried to attend a breakout on the platform, you'll be asked to allow camera and microphone access. I'm going to click Allow up here. What sometimes happens is you need to refresh the page in order to apply those changes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the breakouts and rejoin the room. Now the platform will have access to my camera, and I'll be given the opportunity to join the conversation, which shares my camera and audio with everybody in the room, or join as a viewer only, which allows me to watch the conversation but not take part. You'll see in this top left corner a number of people who are already in the room publishing their camera and audio, as well as a number of people who are just watching. On the right hand side, I can take part in the breakout specific chat, view a list of the people that are currently attending the breakout, and interact with my direct messages from elsewhere on the platform. When you join the room, the platform will start sharing your camera and audio. From here, you can mute, turn off your camera, ask to share your screen, and change other settings about your camera. If you want to stop publishing but you want to carry on viewing, you can simply click back to viewing, which will remove you from the conversation but keep you in the room. You can also click Leave Breakout up here to leave and go back to the breakouts area. That's breakouts on the platform.